welcome to Land a Cabin. We are going to show you how to do laundry soap today. We have come up with a wonderful recipe to get our clothes clean in this off-grid cabin. And here are all the ingredients. We have baking soda, we have borax, we have washing soda, Zote soap, and your own choice of crystals, whatever fragrance you like. Or some people might opt not to put them in. Now we're at the mixing stage. So we have a 5-gallon bucket we use. It has this awesome lid that seals really well. It just screws on. And we take and mix this by hand, mix it around, or we'll roll it around a little bit on the floor. If you have children, you can always have the children, once you seal it tight, roll it around the floor and they can do the mixing for you. So the ingredients, we have our Zote soap, 1 bar grated, we have a pound of crystals. This baking soda is 6 pounds, a box of borax, and a box of washing soda. That completes everything. We mix them all in the bucket and we're good to go. So let's start. Now we have, over the years, we've used this laundry soap, and at first we tried the wet method. The wet method kind of soured your clothes after a while. We've experienced this, and this dry method works so much better. So now we're putting in the 6 pounds of baking soda. Do it a little slower so you don't have a dust cloud. Borax, don't breathe it. It's going to get a little bit dusty. Hold your breath. And then now we have this washing soda mixed up in here. And just take your hand and mix it all around. I'm going to go and tighten the lid on there because this makes it a little harder to try to mix. Just doing it by hand. You do want to break up the chunks. See, there's quite a bit of chunks from the baking soda. And I'm going to roll it around. That's my choice of mixing. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and comment below. We would love to hear your comments and your success at doing the laundry soap. It's been a wonderful way of saving us money over the years, and thank you for subscribing. And thank you so much for watching Land a Cabin.